Namaste. I am A.R. Mohan from Doddaballapur, presenting a Mridangam lesson composed by my teacher, Vidwan Sri Doddaballapur V. Prakash sir. It is a Tirmana in Aditala. It has three varieties, item A, B and C. Each item consists of 16 beats. Item A is in Chatushrade Madhyamakala, that is 4 letters per beat. Total number of letters 64. Jam takajam takitajam tadikitatuta di takajam takitajam takatadikitatuta di takitajam takadikutadikitatutim. Item B is in Kandanade, that is 5 letters per beat. Total number of letters 80. Tachanko takachanko takitajhanko tatti kitatu tam tanko tim tinko takachanko takitajhanko takata tikitatu tam tanko tim ko takitajhanko takadiko tatti kitatu tim. Item C is in Tishanade Upper Kala, that is 6 letters per beat. Total number of letters 96. Tacham kukutaka kukutaki kukutati ta to ta ka ga ti ki takacham kukutaki kukutaki ta to ta ka ti ki takitacham kukutaki kutati ta to tim. We can observe a uniform variation of carways across item A, B and C and corresponding uniform variation in speed, that is nade, across A, B and C. While rendering the lesson orally, the main carways of the items, that is 8 letters in item A, 10 letters in item B and 12 letters in item C, they are filled as taga, diji, tam tank, tim tink, taga, diji to help understand the lesson easily. But while playing, they are kept as silent letters.